Vinsguir ab roller for abs workout, ab roller wheel exercise equipment for core workout, ab wheel roller for home gym, ab workout equipment for abdominal exercise, black and red. Excellent value for money, totally free knee pad, easy to disassemble as well as mount limitless scenes, readily available at home, office, health club, easy workout, efficient outcomes. The 8 cm ultra-wide abdominal roller ensures the equilibrium and also security, as it does not depart left and also. At the same time, it can accomplish the desired workout result while avoiding unneeded injuries. EVA rubber cotton manage, comfy grasp, TPR soft rubber wheel surface area, peaceful operation to make sure that you will enjoy exercise with a preferable experience. High-strength stainless steel shafts with a maximum weight of 440 pounds for your security. Very easy setting up and very easy workout, both in your home as well as in the health club. Warranty, 30-day no-hassle returns and 180 days warranty and lifetime customer service for all Vinsguir customers. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.